Is something on my lens? Is that why the camera is having such difficulty? Hi, how are you? So today, instead of taking on one big project, we will be tackling a multitude of smaller alterations to a bunch of garments that I have not gotten to because I have been busy doing other things. We'll be turning dresses into shirts. We'll be adding elastic to things. We'll be adding length to things, etc, etc. Let's get into it. So the first thing is this dress. I like the print. I wanted to add an elastic just under the bust area because I feel like it would give it a better shape, at least on me. So I'm going to do that. So we're here on the floor, a great place to be. And we're gonna lay her out. And we're going to mark 8 inches from this point all the way across. Even on the back. So this is the elastic I will be using. It's 1 centimeter wide. She's the one. I always have thread on me, literally always. So I'm gonna wrap the elastic around the desired area and get a fit that is comfortable. And I'm gonna cut there. I don't know where my scissors so far away. Scissors. So from that point we marked, that 8 inches, we're gonna fold it. So we're gonna sew round it. And we're gonna create a space that's wide enough to fit our elastic. So I didn't sew it shut all the way. As you can see, I started here and stopped here, and there's a space for us to put the elastic through. So now that we've created this fold, so what is gonna happen, camera, focus, we're gonna fold it down like this and sew along this edge so it lays flat. To focus or not to focus? That is the question. So I sewed it flat all the way. You can still see our opening there, but on top it's sewed down all the way. And this is how the channel looks. From the inside, we will access this hole. And there is the opening, and it is from here that we shall insert the elastic. So using our handy dandy safety pin, I'm going to attach it to the end of our elastic. I'm going to attach the other end onto the opening so that it doesn't get sucked in. So it doesn't get sucked in. And now we start our long journey. So the next thing I have, that's the back, is this dress. I like the print. I don't like the way the skirt looks on me. The skirt the skirt portion. So what I'm going to do is just to detach the skirt from the top. That's it. So after detaching the bodice from the skirt, I also opened up a side seam and installed an invisible zip. If you want a more detailed zipper installation video, please do let me know in the comment section down below. So that's done. So up next, we have another dress and a shirt. So I want to add length to this using this. So I'm gonna cut the bottom. I'm gonna cut this off from the sleeve and then attach it to the bottom of this to make it longer, because they are a similar, this is a shirt, this is a dress. They are a similar texture and they both have a lettuce hem. I also want to change the neckline of the dress. I'm wearing it now. So I saw with Wendy's video on cowl necks, and when I was trying to figure out what I should do with this, I lifted it up like this and this happened. So I'm just gonna lift that there and tack it in place. So I have my needle and thread and I'm literally just gonna sew it in place as I'm wearing it. So I got help positioning the back, and we're gonna sew that in place also. So I've pinned it onto the lining of the dress, right sides together. And now, oh man, I need to change out my thread. 1 second. And now we sew. I shaped the bottom of the remainder of the t-shirt to create this layering piece. So our next alteration is on this pair of green pants. They fit pretty decently besides the length, so we're gonna add to the length. So I have this fabric. It's not the same color, but it works. I've removed the hem on the bottom, that's why you see this line, and I've ironed it flat, and I'm just gonna open it up a little bit, just a little bit. So now we have that open. We're sewing. Now we're gonna close it off, serge the ends, and that's that for this pair of pants. Done. So I made this section really long because I wanted them to be stacked. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the last thing for this video. So this is our last thing. This is a sweater that I used to wear literally almost every day to school. Like, I know some people say, oh, I wear this every day, and like they don't mean it, but I'm serious. I used to wear this all the time. I want to turn it into an oversized vest. So you want to shape that curve like that. We're just going to freehand it and hope for the best. So that's what we have. So I folded them over twice. And pinned them in place. And we're just gonna do a hemming stitch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my other social media platforms, and all that good stuff that helps support creators on this platform. Until next time.
Bye, have a great time.